In this video, I'll show you how to install HD vehicle textures for GTA 4 to improve car details, interiors, and overall visual quality. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down, select this right here, scroll down, and again select this right here, scroll down, select this right here, download these three mod files. Once it start downloading, check my video description for this FusionFix. Scroll down. Under assets, you can able to see FusionFix offline installer. Click on open it and it will start downloading. Once all the files download done, open the GTA 4 game folder. Just copy and take a backup of GTA 4 game folder. Once you did, just close tab here. Select the FusionFix. Select more info and select run anyway option. Select browse for another folder and navigate to the GTA 4. Select the GTA 4 game folder and select folder option. Select the path we selected. Once this installation complete, just close tab here and now open the OpenIV. If it doesn't have installed yet, check my video description for this install guide. Watch this video and install the OpenIV. Once you install the OpenIV, go to PC and go to models, CD images, and double click on vehicle.img. Go to downloads folder. Right click on this IV vehicle pack and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Yeah, just close tab here. Select all files using Ctrl+A and then just drag and drop all these files inside. Select this edit mode and select the yes option so you can able to drag and drop. Now select any one of these files and press in keyboard Ctrl+A to select all and then just drag and drop. Once this done, just go back to OpenIV. Select this TBoGT and open PC, models, CD images, vehicles.img, double click and go back to WinRAR. Just go back and open this TBoGT folder. Select one of these and press in keyboard Ctrl+A and then just drag and drop. Once this done, go back to OpenIV and select this TLAD and open PC, models, CD images, vehicle.img. Go back to WinRAR and open this TLAD. Select all the files, drag and drop to OpenIV. Once this done, just close tab here. The installation is complete. And the final step, you just need to right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Open the plugins folder. Right click on this FusionFix INI and select the edit in notepad. Scroll down and find this BudgetedIV. Check my video description for this text. Just copy and paste it in VehicleBudget. Once you paste this value, select file and select save option. The settings will be saved. Just close tab here and launch the game. This mod is now installed. As you can see, all vehicles look sharper with improved textures on both interiors and exteriors. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.